We're driving again in Toronto. Gardiner West toward the Mississauga. Here's the Rogers Center, and on my left side is the lake, Lake Ontario. We are driving on Gardiner Expressway toward Queen Elizabeth Highway. Ito na po ang Toronto. Daming building, daming condominium. Ayan, oh, bago. Dati wala yan, oh. Yan, meron dati. Sa kanan ko, ano to? Dati itong National Railway. Nilagyan nila ng mga condominium. Giniba yung daanan ng release ng train. Binago. Ito, puro condominium lahat. Within 30 years of my stay in Toronto, this has changed a lot. Ito, may bagong condominium sa lake. Oh, ginagawa. Ito, dati wala yan, oh. Just 6 months ago, wala to. Na Canadian National Exhibition dito sa kapila.